The ESP8266 might not be the most expensive tech gadget you might ever purchase in your lifetime, but it could be the most important one you could purchase. When used together with other elements, it can help monitor car battery from your phone and even build a smart doorbell at home. Join us in this video as we take a look at the 5 most powerful things that the ESP8266 can do. Notification Center. One of the most impressive things you could build with the ESP8266 is the Notification Center, or a scoreboard for sporting events. In situations where you are unable to stream live matches of your favorite soccer or NBA games, building a remote live score center will be invaluable. This is done through the use of the Wemos D1 mini board, which is one of the most popular ESP8266 board. This Wi-Fi development board fetches the updated scoreline of games and displays them on the screen that it has built upon. The implication is then that in order for this to work, the board needs to have access to the line of programming that will help it have access to all the latest scores. Talking about fetching data, the ESP8266 is incredible in playing music and reading text from an online source, and will provide more explanation to that shortly, so stay with us. Smart Doorbell. Doorbells are certainly an important part of our home setup, as it helps us to know when there is someone at our gate. And with the help of the ESP8266, you can take its functionality to another level. Once again, building the smart doorbell will require that you have the Wi-Fi development board we spoke about earlier. In addition to this, you will need a mini voltage regulator, a capacitor, as well as a divide. Once these elements have been assembled and put together, a number of benefits can be realized. For example, when someone presses the doorbell and you're out of reach to hear the sound, a notification will pop up on your phone. In some cases too, the smart doorbell can be connected to the home security camera, which will display on the TV screen when someone is at the door or presses the bell. In the course of this video, we will also throw more light on connecting your mobile phone to your car battery through the ESP8266. So make sure to watch till the end. While you prepare to watch this video till the end, please make sure to subscribe to the channel in order to be notified when we upload any helpful tech content. MP3 Notifier. Smart speakers have essentially become a part of our lives and is one of the key features in our home assistant setup. But one of the downsides to it is that it relies heavily on Wi-Fi connection to function properly. Therefore, in cases where you experience an internet outage, you could find yourself wanting. But it shouldn't be the case when you have the ESP8266. With the device's board, you will be able to build yourself a cloud-free audio notifier which can serve as your notification system. In addition, it can also play music from MP3 files, read text, and even do a speech-to-text translation.
Hello there.
One important element that makes this possible is the MQTT sensor, which controls and enables the device to function. According to MQTT, the sensor is designed as an extremely lightweight publish or subscribe messaging transport that is ideal for connecting remote devices with a small code footprint and minimal network bandwidth. Monitoring car battery. The ESP8266 device can also be crucial in setting up a car battery monitoring center on your phone. With this, your phone will receive notifications directly when there is an issue with your car battery. Just like many other projects discussed, this will also need the Wemos D1 Mini and a power shield to make it function. Once the initial setup has been completed, the sensor can then be connected to the Home Assistant and allow you to receive notifications with MQQT. In setting it up, you can instruct the Home Assistant to alert you whenever the voltage of the battery's car drops below 12. This way, you can get ahead of issues before they happen. Door opener. If you fancy moving away from the traditional way of opening your garage door, then the ESP8266 can help you adopt a more tech-savvy way. With the help of the Wi-Fi board, you can open and close your garage door through Home Assistant. Better still, you can control it through your mobile phone by pressing buttons or using a voice assistant. The aforementioned projects show just how powerful the ESP8266 device is. Though small, it has the ability to power a host of incredible projects. If your interest is piqued at this point and you are interested in learning more about the device and how it works with Home Assistant, then make sure to watch our next video. See you soon!